Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over VeChain. VeChain right now is trading at 0.02297. 24-hour volume, we're down 25%, and market cap, we're down 1.15%. So heading over to our chart, I'm going to start off on our weekly, day, and then immediate short term for 2 hours. But taking a look on our weekly chart here, we have seen that price itself is going to continue to come down. However, what we can take a look at is our RSI is showing us that there is a possible buying opportunity. However, again, these two lines, I'm a little skeptical because these two lines are so close together here, can essentially cross over in the next couple of days to come and retest our support number. So if we take a look here, here is our support of 0.02020. We can see a few of our candlesticks retraced around this level until we were able to get enough momentum as we saw the MACD indicator flip from the red over to the green into an area of resistance here at 61% of our fibs, or a golden number. Price retraced back to at this level at 3331. So as price is retesting this current support number, we may ultimately see more support or retesting of support rather than coming up and hitting our resistance line. Now, again, we do see the MACD indicator from the red to the green here very, very nicely. It does show us that there is lightness in the color. And again, whenever there is lightness in the color, it is showing us or hinting that the momentum itself and the trend may soon be over. As we can see, the overall trend is a bear trend, and a retest of this 20 moving average is necessary to be able to see VeChain come from a bear market up to a bull market. Now, if we take a look at these blue lines here on the chart, these are Bollinger Bands, and whenever we see it expand, meaning higher volatility, price is going to move fairly quickly here. If we see the reaction, what it is currently doing right now, which is narrowing, and we see a pinch, normally the pinch itself shows us that there is going to be a breakout, either an uptrend or a downtrend, depending on where the price is. So if it is going to be pinching, and we want the price to break out in an uptrend, simply put, the uptrend itself or the price needs to be broken above the 20 moving average in hopes for that breakout to break out in the uptrend. But what we can see here, as it's colliding in and they're coming in and narrowing, and price is below the 20 moving average, then what's most likely going to happen is price is going to move and break out on the downside. So the more times we retest an area of support, the times that it weakens, and the most likelihood of it breaking is possible. So that is for the weekly chart here. Going into a daily chart here, you guys. Okay, I'm going to zoom in because there is a few things that I do want to show you. Essentially, here is the resistance line, a few candlesticks here back at the end of August into early September of 253713. Okay, so this number itself is the ultimate resistance line that we need to come up and retest. However, we do see a few weaknesses coming from our 20 moving average being retested, getting rejected down. Retested here, rejection down. Also in yesterday, getting retested, also rejected down. As we can see, we are below our 20 moving average again as a primary trend, this bearish trend market. Our RSI itself is showing that there may be an opportunity that we are considered to be overbought, and there may be a selling opportunity here. So anything above 80% is a strong number for a selling opportunity, as we are considered to be overbought. And as soon as we see these two lines cross over, then price is going to come back down as we are considered to be overbought. Now, if we take a look at a few areas, we do see that we've got a strong trend line coming downwards. We are creating a lot of higher low peaks, essentially showing that the sellers are pushing the price and driving the price as low as they can, ultimately resulting in a accumulation phase. And that simply just says that the price is very fluctual and very attractive, where a lot of big whales are going to be buying the price to pump the volume up or pump the type of cryptocurrency. So if we are considered to be overbought, a good retracement level is our 61% of our fib at the 224976. We can see a few of our candlesticks back here in the June, and some of the candlestick bodies sees itself retracing down to this level. So we know this level is a good area of support. And if we see a recent number here on September 7th, this also candlestick came down to this area of support. Depending on how strong the momentum is and the current trend with our MACD indicator, we may be able to hold the area of support once again and retest this area. Now going into immediate short term for 2 hours, I'm just going to open this up because it does show us a really good buying opportunity at this angle here. So the previous course of action of the previous candle initiated a buying opportunity. However, if you just saw that, it flickered from a big range to now a small range of the lines here. So what I would typically do, in my own opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, obviously, guys, but in this scenario, I would essentially wait until this candlestick does close, because if we do close in a spinning top candlestick, again, it does show some weakness in the marketplace, and we do want to close above this candlestick. So we want to be able to close roughly around 2300 in hopes to turn this downtrend into a reversal. And what we can see here is the volumes itself is not picking up in this 2 hour time frame. We need to be able to twice the size or gain twice the size of the previous course action volume. So this candlestick here had 4.58 million trades. Into perspective, so far we've only done 221 million trades itself. As the momentum of the red histogram of these MACD bars are getting stronger, again, we may be able to hold on support to our 50 moving average, what we see in the previous wick itself. As we can see, our volume indicator or volume profile off to the side here shows us this node here of possible support number at the 2275, which we have retraced all the way down in the previous candlestick itself. So in the next couple of hours or so, you guys, we are going to come up and retest our 20 moving average here, roughly around the 2310. So long that the momentum of our MACD indicator is stable and doesn't show us huge bars continuously gradually getting bigger. If it does get a lot smaller, then that does give us in hopes of coming up to our 78% of our fib, which is 2325. So that is my video here for VeChain. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, but I'll see you next time. Bye.